Yo, what's up, guys? This is how I lost $489 day trading the NASDAQ on the 20th of April, so yesterday, on this long. So getting into the high time frame. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, it's here. Um, recording it obviously the next day, so just don't look at this part. We have this NWOG. We are in clearly bullish order flow. So what am I anticipating? Well, us filling the NWOG. That's really all I wanted from this day. So what do we get? What do we get? Actually, I'm gonna go on the 1 minute. So market open, we pump, and now this is where the whole basically the whole idea of the trade may get totally invalidated or not, like, because this is what I have marked out, right? This is what I have marked out now. And the thing is, where the hell is the top of NWOG? Because I was obviously targeting here. Basically my whole idea of this trade is we have these two stack highs. Okay, we have a market open high and the top of NWOG. So we get a sweep of 5-minute highs, get into this rejection block, with a very strongly displacing candle, then inverse this gap, come into it. We actually started rejecting very nicely off of it. And really, if this idea was valid that this is NWOG, then the only thing was these data lows here and the 40-minute gap and this 1-minute SMT. But with how displacing we were, what I was more like betting that would happen is that we would come take this NWOG and then start taking out these lows, taking out hourly lows, and essentially rebalancing with, like, we have very, very strong displacement to the upside, and this isn't a rejection block, you know. So, but the thing is, I take a look, criticizing my trade. Why did it fail? Well, obviously, number one reason is I kind of underlooked the fact that this was a data high. I mean, data low. With this 30 minutes, so this was like a very juicy jaw to target. But the thing is, if this is the top of NWOG and how I guess most people mark NWOG out is the wick of the hourly candles. So, well, it would be this wick of this hourly candle, but the way I always thought it was is, well, like the true gap being the closure where this 1659 candle closed. Well, as we can see, the gap is still here. It's not from here, it's from here. So this is a really kind of weird thing, but if I were to kind of, I guess, choose, it really is hard, because, well, why would we reject so well off this high if it wasn't the NWOG, and we don't even end up filling it until today. And Loki in general price was very indecisive today. We get now this 30-minute. I saw a lot of people longed here. We also get into a 15-minute. But, well, we failed to take out these highs, and we get another SMT, so we kind of just really slowly, very slowly down. And I guess as soon as we take out these lows, or like around here, we gonna start moving more confident to the downside. Oh, and we even, this was such a good draw. This is some news scandal. I think like something about bombs. Trump tweeted. I don't know if this wasn't also a tweet. Well, I'll get to that in a second. But you got equal lows, high time frame, early lows with data lows. Could have Loki just sent that bit, keeping it right here. Also, this is like a big SMT here. But yeah, I'm maybe even pretty sure that with how quickly this dumped, this could have been news. I'm not exactly sure, but it could have been. And well, if bearish news came out, then even though we are so bullish on the high time frame, that would cause us to dump. Well, I would have predicted like by here we would, start rallying upwards, and there was like actually like a 5 minute break. I'm pretty sure also here. Then it could have as like a rejection taken this inversion. So boom, we could have, I don't know, waited for it. Stops at a 1 minute projected high. Boom, but this also fails. So really the only good trade would have been, well, the short here towards this and the long here. I low-key got off like around here. Like I wasn't looking to enter anything by then, so but this, like, I don't know about a trade, especially that we didn't take this out. We kind of start getting a bit choppy. And well, really the only people that won, well, most people that won today was just people taking this long and just targeting like a certain RR, like 1 to 1 or 1.5. So yeah, were I to say was this a valid trade? To be honest, not really. Especially if the if this is like the, I guess, the definition of the NWOG. But other than that, was it that like bad of a trade? I wouldn't say so. If this is the NWOG, the like true NWOG, the true top of that gap, so us filling it would have only been by coming up here, then this idea of the trade wasn't that bad at all. Just this little part was, kind of underwhelming. And well, also this SMT is connected to this high, so us not even taking out this highs is just showing that, well, like the whole idea of the trade wasn't just how price wanted to move. And so just I want to show how well ES was rejecting here. This is the 940. Yeah, ES was just going up, bro. ES was just going up. Yeah, and again, we start reversing the moment we basically touch the hourly NWOG. So to be honest, I think I'm gonna journal it as an invalid trade idea, and this being NWOG, because, well, there's really no other option. But I'll keep in mind that it could have also been this. Although, yeah, this was also like really misaligned, because while Nasdaq was going down and feeling that 30-minute, we are just continuing to go higher on ES. So this was just a really weird day with literally zero news, like not even yellow folder news. Although the volume was there, so just really weird price action. And well, but at least I'm entering trades again, so that's actually very important, as this month I've taken 2 trades. So yeah, I think that's really all. To be honest, this is like a trade recap where I'm not even that exactly sure what am I supposed to say, just because of this NWOG. But yeah, I hope you guys dabbed yesterday, and I hope we all did today, because when I'll post it, it'll already be the New York Open done. So yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, see you guys next time.